viewers, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my another video. Viewers, in this video, I will gonna show you most beautiful, most amazing, most creative flower arrangement ideas, home flower decoration ideas, wedding flower decoration ideas, and many other flower decoration ideas. I hope you will enjoy my video. Please watch my video till end. Any queries, then tell us on comment section. We will try our level best to fulfill your demands and we will make videos according to your demands. And watching my video very first time, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the daily updates. Don't forget to share my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel as well. Enjoyed my video? Viewers, thank you so much for watching my full video.